Hey, how y'all doing? I'm doing good. What the day is? Thursday. Happy Thursday afternoon over here. What time is it? Probably about 11 o'clock at night. But I worked a long shift today. But a girl still has to eat dinner. So I just want to let you know that everything is okay, cause I'm just finna cook me something to eat so I can have some dinner. I ain't wanna eat out, cause I don't wanna eat out. I just eat at home. Some onions, some water, some steak. I got some steak seasoning. I'm let it cook slow. It's gonna be good. I'm put some gravy with it. Put some gravy with it. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is put some rice. Okay. Okay. Onions, gravy, and some rice. That's all I need. It's gonna be good with that. I'm gonna put slow. I'm gonna put slow for my steak and tender. I want them to be tender. This some steak. It's just steak, y'all. The steak. Steak. This is steak. Steak strip. Yeah, steak strip. I got my water for my rice. Here are my onions. I got me some gravy. I'm gonna get it, and then all of it gonna be real good. I'm gonna fuck it up. But yes, I just had wanted to let y'all know that I work hard for my money. I work hard for my money. I work hard, man. I'm just letting you know I'm a bad bitch. Fuck with me. Fuck with me. I'ma cook for you, baby. I'ma cook for you, baby. Even though I came home at 2 o'clock in the morning, baby, I ain't ate men all day. I need to eat something. I'm gonna cook, man. I'm gonna cook me some meat. I don't wanna eat out. Make my stomach hurt. Eating all that food make my stomach hurt. Make my stomach fat. You know I'm on a diet. So I try to just eat me a nice healthy meal at night so I can get in that bed and go to sleep. Yep. Girl, somebody call me talking about what you doing for Valentine's Day? I'm like, what? Don't ask me that question. Don't ask me that question. What you doing for Valentine's Day, girl? Don't ask me that question. If you know, you know. Don't ask me that question. What you doing for Valentine's Day? Don't ask me that question. If you know, you know. You hear that shit. Cook me something to damn eat good. Go my ass to damn food, child. If you know, you know. If you don't, well, that's what's gonna happen for Valentine's Day. Cook me some motherfucking food and get my ass in the bed. In the bed. I wanna buy me something. I wanna buy myself something, but I wanna just wait and see first. Really, really, really what I wanna do. I want to buy myself something for Valentine's Day. I do, child. I want to treat myself to something. Because I know I love myself. You feel me? So I'm just going to figure it out. Because see, if I don't buy myself, I'm just going to figure it out. I'll figure it out. Valentine's Day ain't never probably out with. 8 more days. Probably something. Happy Valentine's. my nephew's birthday and my niece's birthday in the same month. And they right by each other. So one of them on Valentine's Day. I think both of them. I don't remember, child. Set of my family members, the children, my niece and nephew. Yeah, it's a set of them. I think they birthday in the same month, and they're real close to each other. One on birthday Valentine's Day, and I think the other birthday is like right before Valentine's. So I might have missed it. I don't really know for sure. Good, I'm gonna call tomorrow, good, because I know I ain't got long. Good, it's gonna be here, and I don't want them children to be talking about Auntie ain't called me. Auntie gonna call you, baby. Yeah, Auntie gonna call. Yeah, my water boiling good. I'm putting some rice in there. Look at my onions. Where my rice at? Oh, here we go. Too. Hello. That's my rice. Let that boil. Then I'm gonna season it and everything. Yeah. Turn this eye down. Yeah, turn it down. Put some juice in there. Put some juice in there. I want to put a little juice in there. I want to give it a little flavor. I use this a lot for seasoning my food. So I don't have to just use plain water. I like chicken broth the best. I like beef. I like the beef kind too, so yeah, the chicken can. But I usually buy chicken can all the time. But that's trash. Just let it cook slow for a little while. Put some aluminum foil on top of it. So. Let it cook until you let this cook for a while. It's gonna be good. Look at my rice. I like rice. My onions. Boiling. Dinner with me, we're gonna have some steak with some rice, some onions, some gravy, with some bread on the side. It's gonna be good. That's gonna help my food steam up. You see what I'm saying? Gonna help my food cook. I use that thing all the time, girl. That's my secret weapon, child. Then my onions, and my rice. steak is cooking slow, so we're gonna be fine just like that. So welcome to my kitchen, girl. I'm gonna have some dinner with me.